The second big myth is that there's a one button solution for converting scan data to CAD data. Now, this isn't necessarily a myth because you can do what's called auto surfacing, as you can see here in this example. However, auto surfacing really doesn't work for 90% of customer applications because while we are converting that mesh data over to a CAD NURB surface, that NURB surface isn't really easily editable. So, in my personal opinion, there's four different reverse engineering workflows that most customers will use. The first one is auto surfacing because it does work for some customers. The second one is going to be more of your prismatic modeling. Third, you're going to have your freeform modeling. And then last, you've got hybrid modeling, which is a really interesting topic. If we get time today, I'd love to cover it. But that's really blending your auto surfacing with prismatic modeling.